We're reviewing today from Missyou a 3D hologram LED light fan. I'm going to show you what comes in the box, how it's packed. Nicely protected and presented to you with danger, hands off the blades, instructions, and what to do. We have is the motor and fan display. We have the power supply, the cable, remote control, anchors, T-bracket, and more. With the hologram stand, we have the options taking the bracket that's shaped as a T. It has a set screw lock on top and lock down like so. Place in the additional screws, hanging into a cement wall or a wooden wall. We give the options of anchors. With the motor and spin, simply slide onto the top and lock down with the set screw that is given. With each of the light arms, they are marked A and B. A close-up look at the letters and a close-up look at the arms where they're marked. Check online for further details about Missyou 3D hologram stands and more. We have a bolt, the T, the acrylic frame that we're locking down with a washer and a nut and securing both sides down. Now that we've gone over how to set up to put on a stand and wall, we have arms. These are the LED lights. This is number B. On here, you'll find number B on the opposite sides and A on the opposite sides. You have here on the motor, the DIN plug for power. And you have here on the arms, you have a SDSC card that is with your application and images. Make sure the card is seated in 100% and locked down. Placing on A for A. Pressing in incorrectly, you can release the tabs, pull out with the LEDs facing to the sky, pull the tabs down, slide in, and lock into place. With B to the B slot, lock in, and A to the A slot, lock in. And the last B into the B slot. With the DIN facing up, slide down and lock into place with the set screw. With the DIN cable, plug into the spot and plug in the AC to the outlet. With the remote control, remove the tab to operate the 2025 battery and to run the unit. Reassuring every single part is locked on. Time to turn the unit on. It runs the test. Hit run. It gives a beep and spins with all the images until it repeats endlessly. These are 3D holograms. These are 3D holograms that you could load up from the library, different types of images. To increase the library, we need to open up the application Missyou Spin Display. We restarted Spin Display. Download Spin Display application. Allow to open up. Open Spin Display. Follow the information provided. You're looking for FX and numbers. Add device. in the network F56-C9, open, follow the information, close down the system settings and open up Spin Display. And we are on the playlist. We have 7 types of images. We have gallery, design, camera. In order to go into the gallery, shut off your Spin Display. As we open up to the product logo and so forth, we're going to choose. We can scroll down and look for all the images. We have here is a city skyline. We could save it, come back to it later, hit the X, continue to scroll down till you see other designs in the galleries. We go back to the local, we click on the image, restart our Spin Display. We close out, go to the devices, and here we go into the plus, to the local, to the image, and send. Put a name to it, and within a couple of seconds it'll be on the Spin Display. As we're completing the download, as we completed the image down below, we turn on our Spin Display, and we hit the image, and we hit it again to repeat. That is how you place an image from the gallery onto the unit. If you want to make a design in the title, you go to the title, follow the information, hit finish, save, put a name to it, click OK, back out to the gallery, click on hello, go into the plus, local, hello, send. OK. And click on hello, and you created a title. If you want to do a movie, close the application down, open up your camera, take a video. Close the camera down, reopen up Spin Display, hit the plus, open the video, click on the video you made, choose, increase the size, decrease the size to fit the circle, put a name to it, and send. Click on the video that you named, and there you made your video. Everything that you've seen here done through the remote and the application can be done by the computer by loading up the application on your machine, putting back the SDSC card, and just simply drop and drag your files and hit upload, and all your images will be on here. The Spin Display, PC application remote control driven. It is for desktop stands, showcases, and more. You want to put it in your business, in a room, by a window, put on 700 plus images or more. You can create your own design, do text, and many things of it. I hope you enjoy the Missyou 3D hologram spin display. Thank you for viewing.